Okay, we're somewhere in Bali in Uluwatu, say that right. And I've just sort of found like a little lane to come down. I've been trying to get closest to the beach where it's not too built up. Let's have a little fly around with the Avata, see what we can see. Okay, that was successful-ish. The view and the location was awesome. We actually could see where me and my wife had dinner last night, sunset dinner, right on the cliff edge, so I could get up to that. But because I was set back a little bit from the cliff, whenever I dropped down lower, I was losing connection, so I was nervous to get lower down. But let's color grade the footage and see how it looks. First flight in Bali.